What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, if you didn't know. Cat just went in the litter box. Do me a quick favor and turn on the notification bell. Ugh, I hate saying that. Ugh, I hate it. But just do it. I'd like you for it. That's it. Today I'm doing Trixie Mattel makeup. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I'm pretty sure it's one of my most requested videos. So we're gonna do it. I've already got my base on. We're gonna do eyes and basically I'm gonna make this wearable. So this is Trixie Mattel inspired. I'm not going full drag, but I love this eyeshadow look and I want to do something inspired by it. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh my God, also, I didn't even realize, fresh bleach. My color is legit the same as this photo. I love it. Perfect timing. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids. I'm gonna be using the new P. Louise base. Well, I say new because I bought it semi-recently. People have been using this for years and I don't know what took me so long.
Pronouncenames.com.
Nook. For my eyeshadow palette, today I'm going to be using the new Anele. I'm not entirely sure. She's from the Netherlands, I believe. How to say her name. I hope I'm saying it correctly. So this is her new collaboration with Sigma Beauty. And I feel like this blue and this white are just completely perfect for this eyeshadow look. She also did, I think this is a favorites bundle of also Sigma brushes. I'm going to start off with the E25 and I am going to pick up Cottage to start, which is this matte white shade. And I'm actually going to start off by patting this all over the lid, focusing it on the inner corner, and then just kind of buffing whatever is left over toward the outer corner of the lid. Now I'm going to grab the E45 brush and I'm going to pick up Lana, this blue color. I'm going to focus that on the tip of the brush and I'm going to bring that just above where my eye creases. And I'm going to start kind of drawing in my eye socket. And I'm kind of I'm turning my head like this because I'm kind of going to carve out this area. This is my focus right here. So I'm kind of using that brush to kind of press around and create a little bit of that right there. See that little indent? Just gonna build that up a little bit more. So this brush is actually really good for this because it's quite pointed. So you can kind of just press it in and it does a lot of the blending for you. So it helps to create that nice defined line without keeping it too sharp. You can kind of just go like this and then go back and forth. And then I'm just gonna slowly blend that in and out. And as I get out here, I'm gonna blend it out just a little bit. I'm gonna build that up a little bit more, but now I'm angling my brush down a little bit more to bring a little more of that blue up a bit, but I wanna keep this area a little more defined. I've just said a little more, 17 times. So I'm angling the point down so that this area stays nice and sharp. And we're bringing a little bit more blue up, a little bit more, just a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth, slowly building that up, kind of just deciding how intense do I want this to be? Do I wanna blend it out a lot? Do I want it to be incredibly pigmented? Wait, this is Trixie Mattel we're talking about, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna grab the Sigma Samantha Precision shader. So sorry, this is the shader crease brush. And I'm gonna grab 1992, which is almost like a grape blue shade. I'm gonna focus that on the tip of the brush. And I'm gonna intensify just a little bit. I'm not gonna blend this like crazy. I'm basically just gonna go back and forth because I just don't wanna cover up that nice light blue that we have. I just want to add a little more contrast to that area. Okay, now I'm going back in with a little bit more of that first blue on that first brush. And I'm really gonna sweep this all around. So I'm gonna bring it out, I'm sweeping it in. So this is where I'm doing kind of my my final blending. All right, the lower lash line is gonna be the fun part. So I'm gonna pick up that same Sam Sigma brush. This is just a Sigma video today. And I'm gonna pick up that first blue, Lana, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And as I get to the center, I'm kind of gonna like bring it down a little bit, bringing it closer to like the bottom part of my eye, the center of my eye, right here, right there where like where those creases happen. I'm gonna kind of like, as I build that up, I'm gonna bring it up, just blending it outwards so that it's meeting with that top, that blue on the top, just about. But I'm not gonna close anything off yet because we are gonna be going in with a wing. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This is the white one. It's in the shade Exit. And I'm gonna go into my waterline with this, all the way from the inner to the outer, dragging it onto the lower lash line just a tad. All right, I'm gonna grab the Sigma E15 brush, this like flat definer brush, and I'm going to pick up that dark blue, 1992. I'm gonna press this at the very outer corner of my lower lash line. And then as I bring it in, I'm gonna kind of like do this. So I'm gonna leave it open, the inner corner. So at the center of my eye, I'm gonna bring it down. So it's gonna stop at that crease. All right, just going back and forth and building that up a little bit. Helps to make a crazy face and flatten out your under eyes so that you can like really see where you need to put that. Going back in with that first blue to do some blending. And now in this gap, I'm gonna grab the Sigma Samantha Detail Shader brush and I'm gonna pick up Cottage, once again that white, and I'm going to, from the inner corner of the eye, fill in what's left over. Okay, I decided to bring the inner corner in a little bit, or this like part of the inner corner in a little bit because I thought it was too far out. So I just went in with a little bit of that blue and brought it in a little bit more. Okay, for the very inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Gleam and using my Rephr 03 brush, I'm gonna place that pretty close to the inner corner. All right, I'm gonna go in with Winged Liner. I'm gonna be using the, this one from One Size Beauty. This is the Disney collab. I'm gonna be using my hooded eye trick here. Just trying to decide how long I want this wing to be because it is Trixie Mattel, so maybe we should make it longer. I don't know. The wings are definitely getting harder the older I get. Just saying. Okay, I just used the ColourPop, I don't know, this is the white eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I just did a little line right there. Just because I wanted to intensify that a little bit more so that you could like really see it. And it's probably not necessary, but I did it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. And I'm just using my Buxom Extrovert mascara because I am gonna be going in with lashes. All right, and then for lashes, I'm gonna use the Velour. What style is this? I have no idea what style this is, but I will try to link them down below. Oh, Short and Sweet, I guess is the style. So these are half lash, they're pretty fluffy. I'm gonna put them on the, I'm gonna focus them on the outer corner to give more lift to that wing. I have these lashes right here clumping and I cannot separate them no matter how much I try. And it's really driving me crazy, but whatever. We're just gonna pretend it's not happening. Okay, I'm gonna go in with, for blush, I'm gonna use the Cheek Fluff blush in Pink Mushroom. This is new blush from, wow, it literally like blends into my background, from Half Magic Beauty. Also using the blush brush that it came with. I'm just gonna do a little bit of setting the rest of my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder. This is the lightest one. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm gonna finish off using one of the Rare Beauty highlights because I just feel like intense highlight is where it's at for this. Oh wait, we haven't done lips. I guess I'm not finishing off. I wanna use one that's like pretty beamin'. So I think I'm gonna use Enlighten because it's quite light. And I'm just gonna hit the tip of my nose and dust this just underneath my brow bone. Dude, look at that freaking highlight, oh my god. All right, for my lips, I'm gonna use Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna dab a little bit of About Face, Baby's Arms. Sorry, that just caught me off guard. Right in the center. Just a little, it's pretty pink. All right guys, and this is the finished look up close. Not my best wing, but you know, I like the overall look. Okay, so here's our reference photo. This is one interpretation of Trixie Mattel makeup. I would love to do like a really, like a more edgy one where you have like the black going all over the lid, I think would be really fun. So let me know if you want to see that. Maybe we could do like one of her like classic pink looks for that or something. I don't know, pink and black could be fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have been wanting to do a look inspired by Trixie Mattel for a really, really long time. I know that a lot of you guys are fans or are subscribed. Yeah, I'd love your feedback. Let me know what you think. This is obviously way pared down. It's pretty much all in the lower lash line. Like, depending on how intense you want to make it, like you could literally just do like right here and have all of this white, or you could bring it all the way in and just have like a little bit of that. There's obviously a lot of different interpretations that you can come up with. Really quickly at the end of the video, I just think it's like helpful to let you guys know, because sometimes people miss it in the description. I got these on Amazon. I'll try to link them. This ring is from the brand Ready Made. This came in a PR box with Gabby's collab with them, the nose cuffs, which I believe she's coming out with new ones soon, so you'll see me wearing them. But anyway, yes, this is from Ready Made. My top is Skims. All the other, obviously all the products that I used will be linked down below, and my base is in a different video, which is a very chatty video. So if you're interested in that, it'll be there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any other looks that you want me to recreate. I have another blue look that I want to recreate that is one that Dove Cameron wore, which I'm just like so obsessed with. But I also know that a lot of people really want to see me play more with the Lisa Eldridge palettes. So yeah, just let me know what you want to see. Basically, that's all I'm asking. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.